Souse of pig's ears and feet. Clean the ears and feet well. Cover them with cold water slightly salted and boil until tender. Pack in stone jars while hot and cover while you make ready the pickle. To half a gallon of good cider vinegar allow half a cup of white sugar, 3 dozen whole black peppers, a dozen blades of mace, and a dozen cloves. Boil this 1 minute, taking care that it really boils, and pour while hot over the still warm feet and ears. It will be ready to use in 2 days, and it will keep in a cool, dry place 2 months. If you wish it for breakfast, make a batter of 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, salt to taste, and a teaspoonful of butter, with enough flour for a thin muffin batter. Dip each piece in this and fry in hot lard or dripping. Or dip each in beaten egg, then in pounded cracker before frying. Souse is also good eaten cold, especially the feet.